Welcome to Immigration Info, your ultimate hub for all things immigration. Looking for visa tips, country guides, and the latest immigration updates? You're in the right place. Subscribe for expert insights and join our global community today.
Featuring positive news on immigration policies and crucial tips for securing a USA visa. Whether you're looking to work, study, or reunite with family in the United States, this video will provide valuable insights to help you navigate the visa application process smoothly. A pivotal element in the immigration process is the I-130 petition for alien relative. This form is essential for establishing the relationship between a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident and a foreign relative who wishes to immigrate to the United States. Mastering the details of this form and the associated processes can greatly impact the success of your visa application. Importance of the priority date. The priority date, located on the upper left-hand side of the I-130 form, is critical. This date indicates when the form was filed and determines your place in the visa queue. Monitoring this date is crucial as it allows you to track your application's progress through the Visa Bulletin, a monthly publication by the U.S. Department of State that provides updates on visa availability. Adjustment of status versus consular processing. Your application process will vary depending on whether the beneficiary is in the U.S. or abroad. Beneficiaries already in the U.S. might be eligible for adjustment of status, enabling them to apply for a green card without leaving the country. This can save both time and money compared to consular processing, where the beneficiary must obtain their visa from a U.S. consulate overseas. For consular processing, you must file an I-824 application to transfer your case to the National Visa Center. Handling mistakes and delays. Errors on the I-130 form can cause significant delays. Fortunately, USCIS allows petitioners to correct mistakes without additional charges. According to the May 2022 Policy Manual, you can write to the service center that adjudicated your petition, specifying the mistake on the approval notice. This process eliminates the need to file additional forms and speeds up the correction process. Addressing adjudication delays. Delays in adjudicating I-130 petitions are common. The American Immigration Lawyers Association has advocated for faster processing times, especially for immediate relative petitions, such as those for spouses, children under 21, or parents of U.S. citizens. These petitions should be approved within 14 months, while other categories might take up to 24 months. Visa Bulletin and expedited processing. Monitoring the Visa Bulletin is crucial. If your petition category becomes current sooner than expected, you can request expedited processing from USCIS by including the service center number in all correspondence. Special considerations for military families. Military families have additional benefits. If you or a family member is in the military, you might qualify for parole in place, allowing certain family members to stay in the U.S. and adjust their status without leaving the country, even if they initially entered illegally. Recent updates to the guidelines on parole in place provide detailed instructions on eligibility, filing procedures, and required documentation. Positive changes in immigration policy. Recent policy updates bring good news for immigrants. The changes aim to streamline processes, reduce waiting times, and provide clearer guidelines for applicants. Here are some highlights. Streamlined processes. USCIS has made efforts to simplify various immigration processes, reducing paperwork and expediting adjudications. Improved customer service. Enhancements in customer service operations provide better support and more efficient responses to inquiries. Increased transparency. Updated guidelines and policy manuals offer greater transparency in the adjudication process, empowering applicants with clearer instructions and more accessible information. Tips for securing a USA visa. Securing a USA visa involves careful planning and attention to detail. Here are some essential tips. Understand your visa category. Determine the appropriate visa category for your situation, whether it's family-based, employment-based, student, or tourist visas. Gather required documentation. Ensure you have all necessary documents before applying, including forms, identification, financial records, and any additional documents specific to your visa category. Follow instructions carefully. Pay close attention to instructions provided by USCIS. Incorrectly filled forms or missing information can lead to delays or denials. Monitor your application status. Regularly check the status of your application through the USCIS online portal to stay informed and address any issues promptly. Seek professional advice. If unsure about any aspect of the visa application process, consider consulting an immigration attorney or a reputable immigration consultant. The June 2024 Immigration Update brings a wealth of good news and practical tips for USA visa applicants. Understanding the intricacies of the I-130 petition, staying informed about policy changes, and following best practices can significantly improve your chances of obtaining a visa. Whether you're reuniting with family, pursuing educational opportunities, or starting a new job in the United States, being updated and prepared is key to a successful immigration journey. Thank you for tuning in to our June 2024 Immigration Update. We hope the good news and practical tips we've shared will make your journey towards obtaining a USA visa easier and more straightforward. Remember to stay updated on policy changes and seek professional advice if needed. Best of luck with your visa application, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful updates in the future.